This is where Burnett's granddaughter, Lily, comes into our story. She lives with her mom and dad in the big city. Soon, she was off to stay with her grandpa on Muffle Mountain.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma Tasha died.
Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh no, my feet's back.
You won't be doing any surfing up here.
Really? Watch me.
Hang on tight, Moon Doggy.
Yeah! Diesel's hijacked him.
Aha! There's the blue puffball. And look who he's with. Splodge, come and destroy.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
What's going on? Hold on. Puffball! Teapot!
Elsa ran away because she was frightened.
I shouldn't have upset her the way I did. Elsa ran away because she was frightened. Elsa ran away because she was frightened.
Anna was struck in the heart by Elsa's ice magic. Only an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart. So I took her back to Arendelle.
What?
Stop! Put us down!
See? Now you made him mad.
I'll distract him. You guys go.
No, not you guys.
Only 2 more hours till the 3 a.m. Zompire movie marathon.
Oh, yeah. Zombies and vampires.
Come on, Beast Boy, wake up. We've been waiting all week for this. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Oh, yeah?
Catch, Daddy, catch.
Who had childhood issues? Excuse me, but are you my mother? Okay, thanks anyway. Are you my mother? Are you my mother? But I'm a vegetarian!
Then you get tofu meatballs.
What are the meatballs?
You're about to find out.
Keep it down. I'm trying to read.
Azeroth Metreon Zithos! Don't say anything. I'm not talking because that stupid meatball cracked my tooth.
Whoa, guys. If they seal that tooth, Beast Boy will be stuck in there forever.
My mouth tastes like meatballs.
Meatball party!
Sorry, Raven. I just can't help myself.